Thank you, Speaker. This is a report where this council is approving irregular expenditure of 10.1 million rand on HCT security guards. So if we go and calculate how much is one security guard costing us, it's more than 25,000 rand for one person a month. At these actual houses, there's only 2 guards present. So are we paying these 2 guards 500,000 per person, or are we just spending money somewhere else that we are not seeing in this report? So in this report, we also have too many deviations of the auditors. We have 87 deviations, and we have an overspend of 4.2 million rand on contractor services due to poor planning. Speaker, there is too little internal controls, and the Freedom Front Plus and all its councillors are voting against this report.